Winter season brings common cold and flu. You are more likely to catch a cold if your immunity is generally low or temporarily compromised. But anyone can catch a cold if the viral exposure is high. There are many remedies to deal with cold symptoms, but unfortunately there is no cure for this viral condition. Turmeric is one of such remedies to get relief from cold and cough symptoms. You may wonder whether turmeric is really good for cold? The answer is a resounding yes. Let's review those relevant beneficial properties of turmeric that help in common cold. Then we will look at the ways to consume it for best results. Turmeric contains an active compound called curcumin which has healing properties. It is both antiviral and antibacterial to combat cold viruses. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory capabilities reduces the severity of the symptoms such as cough and nose blocks. The only challenge is that curcumin doesn't get absorbed in the bloodstream easily. For that you need to add black pepper, which increases curcumin absorption by a whopping 2000%. The most convenient and effective way to consume turmeric for cold is to make turmeric milk and drink it. There are two simple ways to make turmeric milk. First one is with 3 ingredients. Take a glass full of almond milk. You can take cow's milk too, but cow milk doesn't deal with coughing well. Other good non-dairy options are coconut or soy milk. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of black pepper. Mix well and sip it slowly. You may not like the taste initially, but will get used to it. Second option is to add 1 tablespoon of honey to it. Honey also is antiviral and anti-inflammatory. Like turmeric, it also possesses antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties too. Turmeric tea with honey certainly is more effective and has a better taste. But those who prefer to avoid honey for any reasons can drink turmeric milk without honey. Drink it daily before going to bed every night until the cold symptoms disappear. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.